I'll say that you had your chance to make it different. You had years to change the tune. Now the porch light's finally going dark, and I'm leaving mighty soon. Bye bye, baby, this road's calling. Bye bye, baby, I'm long gone. Don't come chasing down this highway by the time you're up. I'm on. I ain't angry, I ain't crying. I'm just done with standing still. Every mile that I put behind me feels like climbing my own hill. Bye bye, baby, this road's calling. Bye bye, baby, I'm long gone. Don't come chasing down this highway by the time you're up. I'm on. Maybe leaving ain't the ending. Maybe it's the only start. I've been standing still too often. Time to give this road my heart. Bye bye, baby, this road's calling. Bye bye, baby, I'm long gone. Don't come chasing down this highway by the time you're up by my. Bye bye, bye, baby, I'm gone. Bye bye, baby, I'm gone. Oh Mary, do you still remember the porch where we used to sit, counting stars we couldn't name yet, laughing till the streetlights lit? We swore we'd never lose that closeness, swore the years would treat us kind, but roads pulled us in different corners, left the porch swing far behind. Oh, sweet Mary, keeps burning like a torch. I heard you moved out to the coastline. I heard you built a life out there. I hope the stars look just as bright there. I hope somebody else does care. Oh, sweet Mary, wherever you're standing, I still carry that same old porch. Every star we name together still keeps burning like a torch. The closeness, baby, distance lets it keep. Something soft that doesn't tarnish, something time don't have to keep. Oh, sweet Mary, wherever you're standing, I still carry that same old porch. Every star we name together still keeps burning like a torch. Sweet Mary, still burning. These faces built for two. I got hours I keep saving for a hand I haven't found yet. Ooh. I don't need the whole wide ocean. I don't need the biggest name. Just someone steady, someone honest, willing to just stay be this kind of mine. I need somebody real to hold on to, not a shadow, not a maybe. Someone steady through the seasons, someone who won't call me crazy. Maybe wanting ain't so foolish. Maybe needing someone's fair. Every heart was built for pairing. Every room deserves a share. I need somebody real to hold on to, not a shadow, not a baby. Someone steady through the seasons, someone who won't call me crazy. Need somebody real. Rest your head against the garden wall. The vines have covered up it all. Nothing out here means you harm, just the crickets and the warmth. The gate stays open through the night. No one's coming to give you fright. The moon just watches calm and slow, while the garden starts to grow. And the growing's easy, calm and true. Roses climbing, sky is blue. Everyone who loves you stays, so close your eyes and drift always. is climbing, sky is blue. Everyone who loves you stays. So close your eyes and drift always. Rest now, sleep tight. Just take my own sweet distance, getting where I'm meant to. They laugh about my heavy pace here, call me slow behind my back, but I've outlasted half their sprinting, watching most of them burn out flat. I I see the storm before I hear it. Watch the fork before the boom. Seems like every kind of warning reaches eyes before the room. Maybe that's the way we're feeling, seeing trouble long before it ever finds the words to say it, long before it hits the door. Trust the flash of knowing, even when the thunder's slow. Even when my heart keeps hoping for a warning I don't wanna know. I saw you leaving long before you told me. Watch the flash before the sound. Some truths travel on ahead here, long before they touch the maybe seeing first a burden, maybe knowing early stings, but I'd rather see it coming than be blind to what it brings. I saw you leaving long before you told me. Watch the flash before the sound. Some truths travel on ahead here, long before they touch the ground. So it's coming, oh, long before. Whenever the walls close in around you, whenever the night gets far too long, just holler out into the darkness. I'll come running right or wrong. I ain't got riches, ain't got answers. I ain't got a perfect plan, but I got 2 years that'll Maybe that's the only test. Not the promises we're making, just the showing at our best. Call on me when the hour's heavy. Call on me when hope feels thin. I'll be there before the echo even fades against the wind. I'll come. porch where we used to sit, counting stars we couldn't name yet, laughing till the street lights lit. We swore we'd never lose that closeness, swore the years would treat us kind, but roads pulled us in different corners, left the porch swing far behind. Maybe friendship doesn't need the closeness. Maybe distance lets it keep something soft that doesn't tarnish, something time don't have to keep.
Carry that same old
keep the picture full enough to see next day. Go on, drain the picture dry. Take the last of what I've got. I'll keep on pouring till I'm empty, even though you love me not. Drain it. Drain it all. There's a bird that never nests here, calling out from tree to tree. Nobody ever sees her landing. Nobody knows where she'll be. She don't answer to a season. She don't answer to a name. Some folks say she's lost and lonely. I say she's escaped the frame. Cuckoo calling through the morning. Cuckoo calling through the night. Nobody cages what keeps moving. Nobody clips a restless flight. I've heard her call in every county, never twice from the same tree. Maybe I'm becoming like her, maybe that's what's happening to me. Cuckoo calling through the morning, cuckoo calling through the night. Nobody cages what keeps moving, nobody clips a restless flight. Maybe home's not built from timber. Maybe home's not built at all. Maybe it's the moving forward, answering some far-off call. Cuckoo calling through the morning, cuckoo calling through the night. Nobody cages what keeps moving, nobody clips a restless flight. Still calling, still flying. They set the rules before I got here. Wrote the deck before I played. Caught it up when I fell short there. Never mentioned how it's made. I've worked twice for half the credit. I've smiled through every doubt instead. Still they act like I got handed everything I've got right here. They call it losing, I call it climbing. Uphill roads they never walk. They wrote the story, I keep writing. Past the lines they've always blocked. Someday the rules will read here different. Someday the deck will deal it fair. Until then I keep on climbing past whatever they declare. They call it losing, I call it climbing. Uphill roads they never walk. They wrote the story, I keep writing. Past the lines they've always blocked. Woo! Maybe losing's just their label. Maybe winning's not their call. Maybe I define the ending, standing tallest after all. They call it losing, I call it climbing. Uphill roads they never walk. They wrote the story, I keep writing. Past the lines they've always blocked. Still climbing, still riding. Everybody's leaning on the bridge I'm holding. Every hand that reaches for the rail. I never built this bridge to carry the whole town's weight without fail. I never asked to be the crossing. I never asked to bear this load. But still they come and still they lean here, walking heavy down this road. Seems like everybody in this county wants to walk across on me. I'm way